All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. I know that it has been a minute, but I really wanted to bring you this video today related to two PC setups in audio. I used to think that this was just going to be a breeze when I got my two PC setup, but turns out there's a couple extra steps. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So to start, I want to briefly explain to you guys what my two PC setup looks like. I have my desktop PC where I'm going to be gaming, and then I have my laptop, which is going to be getting the signal from a Elgato 4K-X. As somebody that's playing competitive games, audio latency is super important to me, so I'm going to be having my headset plugged in to my gaming PC. And then I need that audio to get to my laptop, but unfortunately it's not quite as simple as you'd think. So in this video, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys the workaround for. So in order to do this, we need a little bit of software. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to elgato.com and check out their downloads page. From here, we're going to go to select your product, scroll down to legacy products, and then hit game capture HD. You're going to give this a download. No, you're not using this over OBS, but as you go through the installation, it's going to offer you the opportunity to download something called sound capture. Just this little window here, and it is massively important for finding success with your streams. So as you guys can see, I already have mine turned on. You can see that it's on the PC gaming tab. And so it's extremely simple, but basically, where do I want to hear my PC gameplay? Well, I'm playing competitive shooters. I want to hear them through my headset. I have InZone Buds by Sony. These are the best things ever, just letting you guys know. But so I want to hear those through my headset. And then I want it to be outputted to my game capture device, which is my Elgato 4K-X. So that's how I'm going to go from my gaming PC, where I'm playing the game, to my laptop, where I am trying to create a stream, create a video for YouTube. So the main goal of this video was to show you guys how sound capture works. It's extremely simple, but for some reason it's kind of hard to realize that that's what you're supposed to do. I just assumed it was going to work out of the box. I didn't realize there was a couple more steps. And I mean, it's not the easiest thing to find either. So that's kind of the main part of this video that I want to get through. But if you're somebody that's going to be playing with friends and you're chatting through Discord and you want that to go into your streams as well, that is what I'm going to show you next. Okay, so the second part here is going to be a little bit confusing, but I'm going to do my best to explain it in a way that makes sense. So basically, when I am streaming and gaming at the same time, oftentimes we'll be playing with friends, so we'll be chatting in the Discord. So I want to hear my friends on my gaming PC. So where my game audio is, I want to be able to chat with my friends on my gaming PC. But at the same time, I want to be able to hear my friends from my laptop so that I can control in OBS how loud they are. I can add an effect, so I can add like an EQ through SteelSeries GG. So there's a couple different things going on. So I'm going to explain that all to you guys right now. So in order to do this, like I said, it's a little confusing, but it works really well for myself. So on my gaming PC where I'm playing the games, chatting with my friends, I'm going to be logged into my main Discord account, and that's where I'm going to join the chat here. That's what you guys are seeing on screen. Then on my gaming laptop, which is where I'm going to be streaming from, I'm going to join Discord there as well, but it's going to be on a separate account. So basically, I'm going to be in this same Discord chat twice on my own. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mute myself. So if I have Jodesy1 and Jodesy2, these two accounts are going to mute themselves. So the only thing that's happening is that I can hear my friend through my gaming PC and they can hear me. And then on my laptop side, nobody is able to hear me on that side, but I'm able to hear my friend and pull their audio and have that be a audio source for my OBS. Unfortunately, I'm not somebody that's great with graphics, so I can't create one of those and show you guys. Hopefully that description makes sense. If it doesn't, if you're having troubles with that, let me know in the comments. I'm super active in there. I'll do my best to help you out. But realistically, guys, that is just about it for the video. So I appreciate you stopping by. Hopefully this has been helpful. If it has, be sure to hit like, maybe think about subscribing. We're quickly on our way up to 1,000 here. So hopefully that was helpful, and have a great rest of your day. See you guys next time. Peace.